In the last video, I showed how we traveled from Pune to Goa. What I didn't show was this cliff from Amboli Ghat. It is one of the most beautiful mountain passes in India.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
We stopped near a fountain, tried to stay away from people, and clicked some pictures. We reached Goa in around 10 hours, whereas the route showed that it would take around 8.5 hours. The view from our room was so pleasant. We were so close to nature. Today we have planned to go to a few spots. The first one is Shahpura Fort. It was built by ruler Adil Shah and was called Shahpura, but the Portuguese altered the name to Shahpura. It is a beautiful spot for pictures with the view of Vagator Beach. This fort became famously called the Dil Chahta Hai Fort. You can relive those moments by visiting it yourself.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
We then wanted to go to Anjuna Beach, but we somehow went to another small beach which was a part of the Anjuna Beach. It was not at all crowded. We spent around 6-7 minutes there to take some pictures. But be careful, you need to be sure of where you are going. It is always better to ask people about the path, along with the help from maps.
शूज गीले
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
We didn't want to miss the sunset, and as it was already getting late, we rushed to go to Kalangat Beach. But we could see the sun setting from the road, so we slowed down as we were going to miss the sunset anyway. The Ox was the showstopper there. We enjoyed some time on the beach away from the shacks. In the evening, they don't allow any kind of water sports, so we had nothing much left to do. So we planned to have some food instead. The food at Brito's was awesome. I really loved the chicken. We sat outside and the place was perfect. The weather was nice, the sound of sea, music, and delicious food. Just the right combination to make me happy. After that, we went to see what was there in the famous Tito's Lane. And even during this pandemic, the place was crowded. there was waiting to get a table at Tito's. But I fell in love with that lane. I wish we had more time. I would have wanted to get a tattoo from there. We purchased a dream catcher but forgot to buy a small one for our car. So you better plan ahead and spend some more time in this lane.